Drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah. Drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah. That. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get jank. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. My bitch bad and bullshit bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch bad and bullshit bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of the video, today's video, I'm about to show you how I got my hair like this. I think it looks really cute, really sexy. I just put these really easy, like bombshell looking curls in my hair, laid my lace down, little hot comb action. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got my hair to look like this, then keep watching, girl.
Drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah.
So I like to just brush out any kinks or anything in my hair first before I start to section it off and curl it, just to make sure that the curls are, you know, giving what they're supposed to give. So that's what y'all see me doing right here. Next, I do like to just section it off. I start in the back and I'm using my wand curler, and I like to back curl my hair. I don't know what it is, it just looks better. So I always take the wand and then wrap my hair like back, as y'all can see. Perfect little curl. And then for these type of curls, I didn't want them uniformed and like so like planned out, if you know what I mean. So I literally was just grabbing sections, curling it. I like to hold my curl after I first get the curl in it, just because it helps like to hold it better. Y'all see what I'm talking about.
Cooking up dope with the Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Bad. Cooking up dope with the Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Bad. Cooking up dope with the Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch bad. Cooking up dope with the Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
If y'all notice, I'm trying to grab the hair that's like underneath first, because if you don't, the curls will be flat. So I always try to like grab the hair underneath first, curl that, and then work my way up to the top. That way, like, it's curls on the bottom and the top, if that makes sense. Again, y'all see me holding the curl. That is so important.
Location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to compose. Send me your location and ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. Send me your location and ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you initially.
I cannot stress how important it is to have a wand curler. Like, stop sleeping on the wand curlers. Regular curling irons, those is cool, but look how fast I'm flying through my hair. Like, it literally took me no time, maybe 10 minutes to do these curls, and they're so cute. And when you like just grab random pieces and curl it, I swear it'll give you the most beautiful, like, bombshell, like, effortless type curls, and that's exactly what I was going for.
But this is new to me, this is new to you initially. I didn't wanna fall for you, gather my attention, it was all for you. So send me your location and ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you.
As y'all can see in this clip right here, sometimes your weave will be longer than the wand, so it's okay to curl like half of it and then finish curling the rest. Like, that's the thing. Sometimes you cannot be so worried about like getting your hair so perfect. It's like, just do it. I promise you it's gonna turn out. You're gonna look like a B.I.B. I promise. And I'm basically done curling my hair. So right here, y'all see me just going in with my wand stick. This is gonna ensure that my lace and my wig is laying flat, baby. I hate a wig that's all puffy at the top. Like, oh, my wig be looking wiggy, girl, because it's not flat. Get you a wax stick and a hot comb and watch it work wonders. Like, period. It's about to, girl, it's about to give what it's supposed to give. I should have got a comb, but I was being lazy and I just used my nails. So, but it's all good. Watch this. It's about to be so fire. Girl, one more thing. If you ain't listening to nothing else, look at that. Girl, burnt my daggone head. That hot comb gets super hot. Like, beauty is pain. They ain't never lied. Look at that. Oh, she cute. Now, if you want your baby hairs to look soft, use a foam. I love the Nairobi foam. It's a little pricey compared to the other foams, but it's so worth it because it won't make your baby hairs all hard. It'll get them just, you know, cute little baby hair. You know what I mean? So freaking cute. So use some foam with your baby hairs and watch what it do. So right here, I was just going in and getting my bang exactly how I wanted it. I wanted more curl, more volume in the front, so I did just that. So just doing the last little finishing touches, y'all. I love this look. It's so just bomb and just so effortless and sexy. Like, I was giving the girls a look, okay? I love it.
Okay, y'all, so we are all finished with our hair. As y'all can see, it didn't even really take that long to do. Literally just went in. If you don't have a wand curler, girl, you really need to get a wand curler because this is what's gonna save your life. Like, this makes curling your hair so easy. I've been using a wand curler for so long that I literally don't even remember how to use a regular curling iron, even though I have like a couple down there. I don't even be using them. As you can see, my curls look like a wavy type of curl, and that's exactly what I was going for. So freaking cute. I was even able to curl my bang with it. I'm probably gonna pull some of the curls down because I didn't want these like super tight, more just cute, sexy. I used my hot comb to kind of put that up, and I think that it's giving real cute. Like I said, I did install this wig myself. If y'all do want me to end up doing a video on how I install my wigs, just keep watching for that. Matter of fact, I think I have a wig video coming out soon because I have a company that sent me some hair and I really need to get that video out. But yeah, so anyway, y'all, this was just quick and easy. Here go my curls. I think they look like really cute, really good. Like, you ready for Instagram now, girls? So yeah, but anyway, thank y'all for watching this video. Before you leave my channel, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because if you watch my videos and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Girl, what are you doing? Boy, what are you doing? So make sure you do hit the subscribe button right down below. Also, to make sure that y'all do follow me on Instagram, because I always keep it lit on my Instagram. So I'll list my Instagram right here. And until next time, y'all, stay pretty.